Depending on the season of the year, you might not even pay attention to it. But as soon as the temperatures start to drop and we notice the first signs of a cold, we wonder, how is our immunity? Do you consider yours to be good? In the colder seasons, we are more prone to catch colds and flu, so it is important to take care of our immunity to keep our bodies healthy and to balance the body, mind, and spirit. To help you restore the balance of your body and boost your defense system, in today's video, we bring you some tips from traditional Indian medicine. See 4 Ayurvedic practices to boost your immune system. Start to see food as medicine. During the cold seasons, add to your diet foods that are hot, humid, mild, and nutritious, such as healthy soups, creams, and broths. If you already consume seasonal and fresh foods and buy your things in the markets or organic aisle of supermarkets, you are already paying attention to your diet. And did you know that cooked vegetables and broths are easier to be digested by the body? Besides, they are warm and soothing during the winter. And as always, drinking tea is super recommended at this time of year. Teas like ginger, fennel, chamomile, etc. are great for digestion. Golden honey tea is very useful to improve your immune system. Also, it is important to remember that herbs, vegetables, and spices are also healing. Using oregano, basil, turmeric, thyme, cumin, and cayenne pepper is also good for health. Do you know that the foods you eat are more than just fuel and nutrients? Many herbs and aromatic spices have anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antifungal properties. As we add them to our dishes, our meals become medicines that support the immune system and keep us away from flu and colds. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Wake up before dawn and establish a morning routine. Did you know that having a routine helps you have more health and vigor? Waking up in the first hours of the morning before sunrise inspires movement and energy. When you wake up, drink a glass of water, warm or at room temperature, with a squeezed lemon to stimulate and balance the digestive tract. Besides that, light exercises such as yoga or meditation stimulates the cleansing system of your body and makes your day much more pleasant. Practice self-massage. A self-massage with some heated sesame oil can offer the hydrating nutrition that your skin needs to keep a healthy glow during the cold. Massages also stimulate the immune system, improve blood circulation, and activate the parasympathetic nervous system, calming the body and mind. 20 minutes after the massage, take a relaxing shower to remove the excess of oil. Practice alternate breathing. The alternate nostril breathing is well balanced throughout the year, but is especially good during the cold season. You can practice the alternate breathing on your own, but ask a yoga teacher to show you how to do it to be sure that you are doing it correctly. Focus on keeping your breathing slow, subtle, and continuous. Focusing on your breathing will help you remember where you are during the cycle. Do the following. Sit in a comfortable position with your legs crossed. Put your left hand over the left knee. Raise your right hand to your nose. Exhale and use your right thumb to close the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril and close it with your fingers. Open the right nostril and exhale through it. Inhale through the right nostril and close it. Open the left nostril and exhale. This is a cycle. Do it for 5 minutes. Complete the practice, finishing it with an exhalation through the left nostril. This is an Ayurvedic practice known for clearing the energy of the body through breathing, and it can help calm you and your mind. Isn't it interesting? So, did you like learning all these ways of improving your health during the coldest months of the year? Slowly add these changes to your routine until they become habits that will help you reap a lot of benefits. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.